YouTube with a YouTube daily output. I am Dreddy. Got a video coming from World Star Hip Hop. The video is titled Self Defense or a Hit. Father and son were shot dead after an argument over noise with a neighbor in Brooklyn. Graphic video. Saw an article about this. I meant to click on it so I could bring it to y'all, but I'm gonna go find it later and read up on it with y'all after the video. Let's check it out.
When I first heard this, I did not believe it. This company is looking for homeowners to trial these brand new panels.
Damn. Damn, that's horrible. That is horrible. Shot the kid too. That is horrible. That is horrible. I don't see why. I don't know if the kid was running towards him. Let me go back.
When I first heard this,
I don't even want to go look at that again, but that was horrible. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm gonna go find the article. Well, let me go find the article real quick. Let me see if I can find the article real quick. One hour ago. Let's check it out. NYPD Jason Pass sought fatal shooting of father and son in Brooklyn apartment complex. New York. We know the name of the man police are searching for in the brutal shooting death of father and son. This is a video of murderers. This, as the video of the murderer, has been circulating online. Vladimir Mathurin, 47, and his 27-year-old stepson, Chinwe Mode, were shot to death on Sunday night, police say, by the downstairs neighbor, 47-year-old Jason Pass, whom they had an ongoing noise dispute with. A video camera on the fourth floor of the Flatbush Gardens complex at 1418 Brooklyn Ave shows Pass, who lives below on the third floor, arguing with Martin's wife. Mathurin then comes out holding up what police say are scissors. His wife tries pulling him away as Pass then pulls a gun. The NYPD said Pass shoots Martin and Mode and calmly flee the scene. The NYPD said Paz had called 311 6 times since March 2022, warning his upstairs neighbors over what sounded like banging on the door. Noise complaints, basically people walking. Apartments upstairs did not have carpeting, so people walking back and forth generated these calls. Chief of Detective Joseph Kinney said. The building's manager said there were numerous complaints from both apartments and mediation was offered but never done. On Monday, CBS New York spoke with the victim's wife and mother, who said Paz banged on the ceiling so hard her husband banged on the floor back. My husband had no gun, no weapon. Why did you bring a gun to shoot my family? Why would you bring a gun to tear my family apart? Why? Marie Deli said. Brooklyn Councilwoman Farrah Lewis spent some time with the grieving family. She noted that Mathurin, a father of four, worked 2 jobs to support them as an Uber and school bus driver. They need a lot of support right now. Her husband was the breadwinner of the family, so he was paying for her to go to school, paying for 2 children to go to Parachild School. Now they have nothing, Lewis said. As police search for Paz anti-violence group Elite Learners Inc. and others were outside the building Tuesday to denounce gun violence. We have to come out. We have to let the world know that this is not normal and that we have resources to support those that are in need, said Kamara Jackson, CEO of Elite Learners Inc. All urged Paz to turn himself in. It was completely uncalled for and senseless. You took away, destroyed the family, Lewis said. The community plans to join hands around the complex in a prayer circle at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. That is a sad video, man. Condolences to the family. Especially he didn't have to shoot that kid. I mean, he wasn't a little kid, but he didn't have to shoot the son. And at that point, his life wasn't in danger, so he can't. Well, in New York, they don't have stand your ground anyway. But yes, condolences to the family, man. That's why you gotta be careful. Whose face you get into, you never know, man. People seem to be pretty unhinged these days.